In the rehearsal room for Back to the Garden's Sounds of Laurel Canyon, we caught up with band member Sharon White.
My favorite riff is probably the Carole King song. And my favorite moment is when, at the end of the night, when all of us are all together on stage, all of our friends, and we haven't been playing together very much, and some of them we haven't seen in a long time, and just getting together and that feeling of coming together and being connected and connecting with all of you, which is, I know I'm going to be feeling that, and I'm really looking forward to those moments.
Sounds of Laurel Canyon, a Back to the Garden story concert streaming live from the Belly Up, Friday, November 27th at 7 p.m. Pacific. Tickets $12. Use the link to get yours now.